Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you WrestleMania 41 night when live what happened at WrestleMania 40. I will tell you complete from start to finish, like what happened at WrestleMania 41 night 1. Triple H kicked off WrestleMania 41 with saying welcome to the crowd. Then we saw kick off with the World Heavyweight Championship match between Jey Uso and Gunther. At the start of match, we saw Jey Uso completely dominating match. He speared Jey Uso and he tried 3 splashes on Gunther, but Gunther was kicking out each other. Then we saw Jey Uso submitting Gunther. Gunther tapped out quickly. Then we saw Jey Uso winning the world title, and we saw an epic celebration from him. Also, Jimmy Uso joined him, and we saw start of heat moment. Then next match was for the World Tag Team Championship. There were New Day defeated War Raiders to win the World Championship Tag Team titles, and it was very average match. I was not interested that much this match. Next match on the card was Naomi versus Jade Cargill. Naomi made epic entrance. Then we saw also amazing entrance by Jade Cargill, and then we saw amazing between both of them, like going after each other, delivering moves to each other. And this was quick paced match, and this match was amazing. Like Naomi hit her moves on Jade Cargill, but Jade Cargill was kicking out of each move. Then Naomi tried another move, but Jade Cargill also kicked out of it. Then we saw Jade Cargill doing power bomb on Naomi. She pinned him to win this match. Next match on the card was United States Championship match between LA Knight versus Jacob Fatu. We saw epic entrance of Jacob Fatu Wolf and themed entrance. Then we saw LA Knight arriving on the card. Then we saw both of them getting in the ring. This match was amazing, but Jacob Fatu was looked like monster in this match. He was kicking out of each other. You think like LA Knight applied his move, but Jacob Fatu was too strong. He was kicking out of everything. Then we saw Jacob Fatu perform moonsault to finally pin LA Knight, and he is our new United States champion. It was an emotional victory for Jacob Fatu. He delivered an amazing performance, and he truly deserved to win the US title. I think Jacob Fatu has an amazing performance. It was amazing victory for him at his first WrestleMania. After US Championship, Shawn Michaels come out and announced attendance WrestleMania 41. We also saw UFC CEO Dana White in the ringside. Then we saw El Grande Americano making his WrestleMania debut, and Rey Mysterio was replaced by Rey Fenix because Rey Mysterio was unable to compete. If we talk about this match was amazing. Like it was quick paced match. I think it should have lasted longer. In final moments of match, we saw El Grande Americano putting a metal piece in a mask, and he applied headbutt from this place to Rey Fenix and pinned him. It was a dominant victory by El Grande Americano. After the match, we saw a good celebration by El Grande Americano. Then he went to a legend Vijango something, and he tried to mock him. Then Vijango came, and he came for the aid of Rey Fenix. He saved him from the assault of El Grande Americano, aka Chad Gable. Then we saw World Women's Championship match between Tiffany and Charlotte Flair. We saw epic Barbie themed entrance for Tiffany Stratton. Also Charlotte Flair amazing entrance. We saw an epic battle between both of them. I think this was one of the best women match I saw in a long time. It was an amazing match. We saw Tiffany delivering a performance. He kicked out many moves of Charlotte Flair also from moonsault. Then Charlotte Flair threw him from the top row. Still she kicked out of. Then we saw Tiffany hitting Charlotte to a turnbuckle. He also applied his finisher to finally pin him. During the match, we saw Tiffany getting his tooth broken. But still retained his title. It was clinical performance by Tiffany. I was highly impressed by her performance at WrestleMania 41. Then it was time for main WrestleMania Night 1. CM Punk vs Seth Rollins for Roman Reigns triple threat match. We saw epic entrance by Seth Rollins followed by the amazing entrance of Roman Reigns. And during the entrance of CM Punk, his Killswitch Fireband song was also played in the background. We saw an amazing entrance by CM Punk. His band was playing his theme song. Then we saw Paul Heyman accompanying CM Punk to the ring. Then we saw a stare down between all 3 members in the match. Then we saw all of them going after each other, delivering moves to each other, kicking out of each other and everything. It was amazing, heated up fight between all of them. Then we saw Seth Rollins countering a spear into pedigree. He tried to pin Roman Reigns, but Roman Reigns kicked out. Then we saw CM Punk taking control of match, applying finisher submission move to Roman Reigns. Then we saw Roman Reigns applying spear to CM Punk, and Seth Rollins also had come storm Roman Reigns. Then we saw Seth Rollins trying to convince Roman Reigns to take CM Punk out of this match. He wanted him to do a shield power bomb to CM Punk, but Roman Reigns disagreed. He punched Seth Rollins. He also then took out CM Punk, and he power bombed CM Punk through the announcer table. Then he also did same to the Seth Rollins. He also applied power bomb through announcer table to Seth Rollins, and then he grabbed Seth Rollins to the ring and tried to pin him, but he kicked out. Then we saw CM Punk Punk taking control of the match. He applied his finisher on both of the Punk and Rollins, this Roman and Rollins, but they kicked out of it. Then we saw Paul Heyman grabbing chair. He gave that chair to CM Punk, but then he gave a low blow to CM Punk. Then after that, Roman Reigns was completely shocked. Then he convinced Roman Reigns to hit a steel chair to Seth Rollins, just like he did in past week on Raw. Then he also gave a low blow to Roman Reigns and betrayed him. Then he joined forces with the Rollins. Then Rollins took control of the match and he hit a curb stomp on Roman Reigns and pinned him. And finally, we saw Seth Rollins emerges as a Paul Heyman guy, and he walked out at WrestleMania as a Paul Heyman guy. If we talk about this match was pure cinema. Like I told in a previous video that Seth Rollins will be one walking out WrestleMania as a Paul Heyman guy, but still this match was a pure masterpiece. I'm waiting for WrestleMania Night 2. Like there was going to be load of amazing surprises at WrestleMania Night 2. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.